Hello friends, today we will have one topic, globalization and productive culture. Everyone are aware of the term globalization, so I will not elaborate on the term globalization. I will focus more on the productive culture. What is productive culture? Productive culture is the culture of people who engage in the production of an economy. So, the farmers, weavers, or artisans' culture may be called the productive culture. This culture has also some characteristic. The people in this culture engage in manual or labor work. These people worship gods or goddess which are mainly the local gods. Similarly, the culture of the people of this culture mostly consume alcohol and are non-vegetarian. Indian society is a stratified society. That means Indian society has a Varna system, and in that Varna system we have the hierarchy. So at the top we have Brahman, followed by Kshatriya, then Vaishya, then Shudra, and finally untouchable. So at the bottom level we find Shudra and untouchables. The culture of these Shudra and untouchables may be called the productive culture. The higher caste people have also their own culture, and this culture is supposed to be more superior than the productive culture of lower caste people. Now we will try to understand the relation between globalization and productive culture. We know that globalization had started in India around 1990. As globalization started in India, the higher caste people had the education and skill. So these people had migrated to North America and Western Europe. These people had settled down in these developed countries. As they settled down in these developed countries, they had to adopt the culture of a developed countries. One of the part of developed countries' culture is to regularly consume alcohol and non-veg. The people who had migrated from India to North America or Western Asia, Western Europe were not eating the meat or beef and were not consuming the alcohol. But now to adjust with the Western culture, these higher caste people had to consume alcohol and were eating the non-veg. So automatically what happened? These higher caste people had to accept one of the component of productive culture, and automatically because of that these higher caste people started to recognize the importance of productive culture, and that way globalization had recognized the significance of productive culture. That way, we can explain the relation between globalization and productive culture. Thank you for watching my video.